Hi, my name is Alexandra. I'm presenting the deepfake booth from EPFL. So here we are at the conference AI for Good, but we're also presenting the not so good sides of AI.
Deepfake is no good?
It can be good, but I think it can be used for
it can be used for making political statements. When I make a deepfake with Donald Trump.
Yeah, for example.
Okay, I'm joking, but maybe that's not good.
Yeah.
And then what do we see in there? Is somebody there now?
So inside, you can come inside with me. And here we have a short 1-minute video to present you the impact on deepfakes and what it can do. So the goal of this booth is general deepfake awareness. So you can start the experiment by capturing a picture of you, in my case. And then there will be a short video introduction about what deepfakes are and what are their dangers.
So what is EPFL doing about this? For example, is there some research in optimizing like the detection of the deepfakes, or?
Yeah, of course. EPFL few labs from EPFL are trying to create things to detect deepfakes, but it's a really hard race. So sometimes AIs outperform themselves, and sometimes we cannot even detect it on our own. So this video presents a few solutions that can be done.
You have to outperform the algorithm. It's quite difficult. Here it says deepfakes are powerful. Why not see for yourself?
Yeah, so I think the most important thing is to check your sources. And here we have a deepfake of me now. So it's a very simple algorithm used here in the booth, and just from one picture of me, it's very easy to create a deepfake in just 1 minute like that.
Nice. So it's generated in real time?
Yeah, it's generated right now in deep time, in time.
That's sad.
And then I have a picture of me in prison. And this booth is completely customizable, so it's possible to create any other image, any other video. So yeah.
Are there some other discussions with the EPFL here at this show?
We have the promotion of sciences that is also here at the EPFL, but otherwise, yeah.
All right. It's a great institution, no? The EPFL. It's very advanced and with the research, the technology, right here in the region.
Yeah, we're trying to do the most. We have actually also LLM coming with the ATH. I think in August, September.
Is it going to be better than ChatGPT?
It will be different.
We will check it out. Cool, thanks a lot.
Thank you.